Good morning, Jason and Monica. That's right. Teachers here are gathering together to get attention of lawmakers and hopefully make some changes that will bring more funding to our schools. Joining me now is Erin Riddle, the teacher here at the school. Tell me a little bit about the press conference you guys are having today and the message you're trying to send.
I'm a teacher here at St. Aaron. We are trying to get the message to the legislators today about ELL funding and class size reduction. Here at St. Aaron, most of our kids are from the ELL population. So we need more.
You need to do something about your snoring, Mother.
Some of them don't know their alphabet in English. What are some of the bills that are being discussed in this? I know there is one regarding the ELL.
Oh, yeah.
They're working on right now that somebody is going to put money in. They're working on someone's class size reduction. They're looking at the IQ.
Golly. You need to do something about this snoring, Mother. It's ridiculous. Oh, golly. You need to actually care about this. You need to care about your snoring, Mother. You need help. On YouTube. I'm going to get you too, though, Terry. We're going to do a battle of snoring on YouTube now.
I don't care. When I'm real tired, period, that's what I'm saying.
Right.
But there are a lot of days I don't even snore. I admit that. That's when I, like, my step comes in.